Today I'm going to explain how Google Gemini works and how students can use it in a practical and effective way. Google Gemini is an AI-powered application developed by Google. It helps users generate text, answer questions, and search for information quickly. It is widely used because it integrates with other Google services and makes studying, writing, and researching much easier. Gemini is based on a large language model. This means it has been trained on a huge amount of text data and can understand written questions, called prompts. When you type a prompt, the system analyzes the context, processes the information, generates a structured and coherent response. For example, it can summarize long documents, explain complex topics in a simple word, translate content, generate ideas, and support basic code in text. Because of this feature, it saves time and improves productivity. Another important advantage is integration with Google Workspace. It works together with tools like Google Docs and Gmail, allowing users to generate content and insert it directly in a document or an email. However, it's important to remember that Gemini is not perfect. Sometimes it can produce incomplete or inaccurate information. For this reason, users should always verify the content using reliable sources and apply critical thinking. AI should support learning and not replace it. Now we show you to use Google Gemini step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the Google Gemini website. Then click Sign in and log in with your Google account. As you can see on the screen, the main interface appears with a text input field at the bottom. Click on the text input field, type your prompt clearly, and press Enter or click the Send button to generate the response. After a few seconds, the answer appears in the main window. On the left side of the interface, you can see previous conversation. Under the generated response, you may find option to copy the text or ask follow-up for questions. Now let's look at practical way. Imagine I have to study history and I need a short summary about Napoleon Bonaparte. I tap write a short summary about Napoleon Bonaparte for a B2 level. Then I click on the send button. As you can see on the screen, Gemini generates a clear and structured summary explaining who Napoleon was, his role in French military leader, his rise to power, and his impact on Europe. At this point, I can read the response carefully, verify the information, and copy the text into Google Docs using the copy function. Then I can edit, highlight key points, and personalize it for my study notes or presentation. In conclusion, Google Gemini is a useful, versatile AI tool that can support students in writing, research, and organization. Its main strengths are speed, integration with Google service, and ease of use. However, it must be always used responsibly and critically. If used correctly, it can become a valuable digital assistant for everyday study. Thank you for watching.